Hadin kajing penbor nagi babuan, bat kajing dawa badi banweng no ika ketem jong ki sipai CRPF na maulai. Ya kajing elang lapan long bat ki he jong ka CRPF bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya bani keren ha kabedai bat ka jaka ka ban pen kendri ano ek nika ketem jong ki sipai CRPF. Haba keren ki nong thok kubor, u menteri korbari gejela u bala kemen rumboy ha kasingi baar jong katayo. Ule pentip bah kani kajing elang lawan bani sim benta di he na katenat pulit gejela bat na kaliang jong katenat sipai CRPF. Rengkat bat u menteri korbari gejela bat u menteri rang ba gejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma u sembut menteri rang ba gejela ba Presiden Tun Songru le don lang ha kani kejingelang. U menteri korbari gejela ba la kemen rumboy le tho bale keren ha kani kejingelang ban wat ek jaka ke babiang kenang ban yo ban bo ek ketem sipai jong CRPF. Bat uloong ba ka CRPF kadan kebenta ke bakong san ba ban wara jing singan yaki breu jong gejela kumta don kam da ka wei pat gejaka kenang makin yo ban bo ya ka ketem jongki. Ule tho ba kim sim lala ban poi ha ka nuku rai ha kani kejingelang. Hendrai ka kam ban wat ek jaka kala sedang bat uloong ba ha kepor ke babiang ondal yo ek jaka ka Sarkar kan sasim rai ha ka nuku jaka ban bo ya kani ka ketem jong sipai CRPF.
There is a place or not to give a permanent site for the CRPF in Shillong. Because as we know that CRPF plays a very important role in providing security to the people of the state. So, but as of now, they are located in different place. So we, the Chief Minister, has come to his knowledge. That's why today he has reviewed this thing. So we have discussed many things regarding that. But as of now, no decision has been arrived. But the process has started, and then in due course of time, depending on the feasibility, depending upon the accessibility, depending upon the security option, then the government will decide at appropriate time.